In the following video, you will see an example of the math meeting component of a Saxon Math 1 lesson. Math meeting is the heart of the consumable Saxon Math program, where students will practice real-world foundational math skills and problem-solving strategies. In the following video, you may observe the following language, direct instruction teaching strategies, and best practices. You'll notice thorough preparation from the teacher, a quick-paced lesson with minimal downtime, clear and concise language and questioning, clear focus is established throughout the lesson, choral responses are prompted by a clear and consistent teacher signal, think time is provided, and the teacher affirms all student responses. In this video, you will see a kindergarten math class complete math meeting during their math lesson.
And my calendar helper today is Elizabeth. Come on up. All right. First of all, if you know what date tag we need today, put your hand on your shoulder. Miles T., what do we need today? What comes after the parallelogram? Does anybody know? If you know? Yes. What comes after it? Scarlett? Rectangle. Okay. Everybody, what number comes after 28? Think. Get ready.
29.
Yes, 29. Elizabeth is going to write 29. And what day comes after Monday, everybody?
Tuesday.
Yes, Tuesday. We're going to move our fish down and get your snappers and clappers ready. Ready? Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. How many days are in a week? Think. Get ready.
7.
Yes, 7. Call on 2 friends to say to the days of the week, loud and proud.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
High five in the air. Boop.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
High five in the air. Boop. Everybody get ready.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Give yourselves a brilliant cheer. Ready? Brilliant. Stand up. Our pattern is an ABCD pattern. We need someone to choose what we're going to do today with that. Choose someone, Elizabeth? Scarlett H. Head, shoulders, pat. Love it. Head, shoulders, pat, clap. Head, shoulders, pat, clap. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. Call on 2 friends to say the months of the year.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
High five in the air. Boop.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
High five in the air. Boop. Everybody get ready.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
All right, remember what we have to wait for today. Ready? What day of the week comes after Sunday? Everybody?
Monday.
Yes, Monday. What day of the week comes before Wednesday? Everybody?
Tuesday.
Yes, Tuesday. What month comes after January? Everybody?
February.
Yes, February. What month comes before October? Everybody?
September.
Yes, September. How many months in a year? Think. Get ready.
12.
Yes, 12. Good job, friends. Now we're ready for the full date. The full date is April 29th, 2025. With me, get ready. April 29th, 2025. Individual turn, get ready. I want a proud voice. Blake.
April 29th, 2025.
Excellent. Another proud voice, get ready. Ryan.
April 29th, 2025.
Good job. And one more proud voice, Jamie.
April 29th, 2025.
Everybody get ready.
April 29th, 2025.
That was wonderful. Give yourselves a trumpet cheer. Ready? Perfect. All right. Yesterday we were in school 151 days. What number comes after 151? Think. Get ready.
152.
Excellent. 152. I'm going to change this to 152. I'm going to add a straw, and you are going to circle 52. We are going to count the long way first. Get ready. Oh, I love how Green Row is sitting up tall and proud. Thank you, Green Row. All right, we're going to start with 10. Get ready.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140,
50.
151, 152.
That was perfect. Now we're going to count the short way. Get ready.
100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 151, 152.
That was so beautiful the way you did it, short and sweet, just like you speak. Let's do a fireworks cheer. Ready? Ooh. Ah, good job. Now we're ready for the mystery number. If you think Jamie is right, give her a double thumbs up. Jamie, how did you get 69?
The 68 comes before and 70 comes after.
High five in here. Good job, Jamie. All right, we need our weather checker. Can you go check the weather for us? Is it cloudy? Well, you know what? She's our meteorologist today. So, so cloudy has gone up a little bit. Let's look at our weather chart. If you know how many more cloudy days than sunny, touch your shoulder. Caleb, how many more cloudy days than sunny?
2.
2. Let's count. Ready?
1, 2.
If you know how many more cloudy days than rainy, touch your head. Let me see, Blake.
8.
Let's count. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, 8 more cloudy days than rainy. If there's 8 more cloudy days than rainy, how many more sunny days than rainy? If you know, touch your tummy. Bella.
5.
Let's count. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. How many, Bella?
6.
Yes, 6. Good job. All right, we are going to come over to our coin cup. And first, we are going to find out how many nickels we have.
3.
How many nickels we have?
3.
3. Everybody, how many nickels? 3. How many pennies?
5.
Everybody, how many pennies? 5. A nickel is worth how much? Think. Get ready.
5 cents.
5 cents. We're going to start with our nickels. Get ready. 5, 10, 15. A penny is worth how much, everybody?
1
Cent. So we have 15. Get ready. 16.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
How much money is in the coin cup? Think. Get ready.
20 cents.
20 cents. Right, 20 cents. 2 times in the air. Well, I get my... All right, now we are ready for today's pattern. But before we do today's pattern, let's just go over our coins quickly. A penny is worth how much, everybody?
1 cent.
Yes, 1 cent. A dime is worth how much, everybody?
5
Oh, let's try again. A dime is worth how much, everybody?
10 cents.
Yes, 10 cents. A nickel is worth how much, everybody?
5 cents.
And a quarter is worth how much, everybody?
25
Cents. And let's just do the nickel today. Who is on the head side of the nickel? Think. Get ready.
Thomas Jefferson.
Yes, Thomas Jefferson. What is on the tail side of the nickel? Think. Get ready. Monticello, and we're learning about that in history, so that's fun. All right, today's pattern, don't get tricked, we're counting back. Get ready, 53, 52, 51.
50, 49, 48.
Good job, let's count forwards from 48 to 53, get ready.
48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53.
Excellent, and that brings us to our counting by tens wrap. Elizabeth, pick a number for us. 2. Get ready. Well, I can count by tens. Can you? Can you? I can count by tens, and I'll start with 2. 2, 12, 22.
32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92.
Pick a friend.
Okay.
6. I can count by tens without any tricks. I can count by tens, and I'll start with 6. 6.
16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96.
And one more friend. 7. I can count by tens, going up to heaven. I can count by tens, and I'll start with 7. 7.
17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97.
Give yourself a cowboy cheer. Yeehaw! Good job. All right, now we are going to do our numbers. Elizabeth is going to start. Yes, 9.
45,
Yes, 45.
60,
Yes, 60.
300,
Yes, 300.
15,
Yes, 15.
17,
Yes, 17.
18,
Yes, 18. 2 more?
40,
Yes, 40.
1,000.
Yes, 1,000. Good job. And I'll call you back up for the mystery bag in a minute, okay? All right, we are going to do a roller coaster. We're going to start with the 0. Sit up tall and proud. Seat check.
Check, check.
You guys look beautiful today. Get ready.
0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Back at the top. Ready?
0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Odd numbers, counting by 2s. Ready?
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21.
By 5s. Get ready?
0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
And we're going to count our 100s. Get ready?
0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000.
What number?
1,000.
All right, I'm going to point. You're going to tell me the number. Get ready?
30,
Yes, 30.
12,
Yes, 12.
500,
Oh, let's try again.
500,
Yes, 500.
20,
Yes, 20.
3,
Yes, 3.
1,000,
Yes, 1,000. 90. Even or odd?
even,
Yes, even. Even or odd?
even,
Yes, even or odd?
odd,
Yes, odd. Even or odd?
odd,
Yes, odd. Even or odd?
Even.
Oh, try again. Even or odd?
Even.
Yes, even. Last one. Even or odd?
Even.
Yes, even. Who are we going to give our cheer to today, Elizabeth? Madeline. Get ready. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Madeline, Madeline. Hooray. All right, Elizabeth, I need you to come back up. Oh, they spilled in here. I put in my mystery bag that they spilled out, but that's okay. There are 7 dimes and 3 pennies. If you know how much 7 dimes and 3 pennies are, I want you to touch your shoulders. 7 dimes, 3 pennies. Okay, 7 dimes. Now, we're not doing nickels. They're tricking us a little bit today. 7 dimes, 3 pennies. Let me see. Who have I not called on today? Reagan.
73.
73 what?
7.
Yes, if you think Reagan is right, give her a double thumbs up. All right, Reagan, come on up and count for us. Let's see if she is right. Remember, we're going to start with the dimes. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, stop, 71, 72, 73. Give Reagan a round of applause. Thank you, Reagan, for our coin cup. All right. All right, thank you, Elizabeth. And before we do our brain break, we are going to do our doubles wrap. So everybody stand up. Ready? I'm not going to have my voice on at all, but Elizabeth, come up and choose a role model to come up and do it with you. Okay, ready?
It's the doubles, baby. Let's go, let's go. It's the doubles, baby, and we start with 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Hero. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Boo. 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Booyah! 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Really keen. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's 20.
Good job. Give yourselves let me see, 3 rounds of applause. Ready?